So Andrew, what happens when all of the money that we've saved up for retirement, for growth, becomes our income plan in retirement? How do we know that all that money is going to be able to last as long as we do? And furthermore, how do we know that we have the right mechanisms in place to make sure that that income is going to last as long as we do? Well, in today's short educational video, we're going to talk about that. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, President and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. And we've created these educational videos to help to make the difficult and stressful process of retirement income planning simple.
Absolutely, and we do this by incorporating a team of advisors, ranging from certified financial analysts, certified financial planners, estate attorneys, insurance advisors, and other needed professionals to help us build a written retirement plan that will let our clients know when, where, and how to take money from their savings.
For the best retirement income planning advice, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos.
So Andrea, growing your income in retirement while also taking that income in retirement is going to be the most important factor that's going to determine if your money is going to last as long as you do. So in today's short educational video, we're going to talk about how to take your growth plan and turn it into an income plan. But before we do that, there are two rules to retirement income that we always give you. And what are those two rules?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money, and rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1.
Great. So now let's talk about how to take all of this money that you built up and turn it into a solid income strategy for you. So let's go ahead and dive into what happens when your growth plans become an income plan. It's going to be very important you understand this as well. So if we look at this chart here, we're going to look at a growth plan when it becomes an income plan. This illustration shows an individual who began investing at the age of 52 to the age of 67 and had a $500,000 portfolio when he actually started his investing. So this portfolio has a hypothetical growth rate of 6% over that period of time, and it grew to about $1.2 million after 15 years. So now the question is, how much income could $1.2 million potentially generate for this particular person? Well, we're going to assume that we're going to extract $50,000 per year at the age of 67 and start taking our income. And we're going to increase this income by 3% per year to account for inflation as always. And because we're now in retirement, we're going to also assume that we're going to get more conservative with this portfolio, and that portfolio will only earn us about 4% annual over that period of time, hypothetically. So if we study this chart, after 23 years of extracting income, this person at the age of 90 would have an income of about $100,000 because we're increasing this by 3% each and every year. So their income has risen to about $100,000 at that particular time at the age of 90. Also, you can see that their portfolio based off of this actual hypothetical rate of return at $500,000 that they started with, they still have $425,000 approximately remaining that they can continue to take income from, and or if they were to pass away, they can leave it to their estate. So this $1.2 million that grew to age 67 has the potential to generate about $1.7 million in income. And this is how you turn a growth plan into an income plan. So I hope that this information was also very beneficial to you. I think it's important that you evaluate your retirement savings and understand that during the accumulation phase, it is very important that you also come up with a decumulation strategy for those dollars. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
To learn more about our services and how we can help you to increase your chances of not outliving your retirement savings, make sure to click on the link in the description below and sign up for our free Maximizing Your Retirement Income Masterclass. After this video, check out the other videos that we've created that will help to give you tips on how to maximize your retirement. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers.